Hello. Today we're going to learn how to make masks. Very easy process. First, you select your line work and then you create a mask. If we look at the mask, you realize that there are certain things that are white and they are black. The black is invisible. The white is visible. Anything in between is a variant. Here's what I mean. I now add a new layer and then I'm going to take mask, copy the new layer, shift across, and now I have blue eyes. With the layer, I will now invert, and now it will only create background. And now I fill with black. Refine mask for later. Now, as you see, invisible where it's black, visible where it's light. Now you say, okay, I wish to have 50%. Then I go to my mask, I create here. I add 50% gray. And now 50% of that blue now bleeds through. And you can add opacity if you like and paint things through. Maybe more than 1%. To get nice variation, change brush. If you want to blend, and you're off to the races. Alright, happy arting. Bye.